Sige, comparing decimals. So good to done is mga comparison symbols. Ini siya less than. Ari naman greater than. Ari siya equals. Let's have some examples. Number 1, we have for example 7 and 5/10. Tapos ari 8 and 2/10. Di na mas dako sa ilang duwa. Ari ang 8.2 mas dako, ang 7.5 mas gamay. So ang ato nga obrahon, we start from the left going padto sa right. So 7.5 or 7 and 5/10 is less than 8 and 2/10. So ato nga gamiton na symbol is the less than symbol. Gasugod kita basa always from the left going to the right. Unless you're Japanese. Let's try another example. Are 18 and 27 hundredths. And we also have 10 and 24 hundredths. So, tulukon mo pa lang siya, mas dako gadyang 18.27 or 18 and 27 hundredths kumpara sa 10.24 or 10 and 24 hundredths. So, ang atong gagamiton is the from left going to right. This one is greater than this one. So, atong gagamiton is the greater than symbol. So, greater than. Let's try another example. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. And yeah. Sige. 25 hundredths and 25 hundredths. Kung tulukon mo sila, are they greater than, less than, or equal to each other? At itulukon na pa lang sila, we can already tell nga 0.25 or 25 hundredths is equal to 25 hundredths. So, amo na siya mag-compare sa decimals. We use different symbols. And we always start from the left going to the right. So, blank is less than blank. Blank is greater than blank. Kag blank is equal to, or pwede man blank equals blank. Another way to think of it is, ang ini nga symbol, ang less than kag ang greater than, do ba siya. Siya butang siya sa punto. Nan. Ginakaon niya ang mas dako na value. So, the mouth of your comparison symbol will eat the bigger one. Iban pa yung example. Alright, sige, try ta. Number 4, 20 and 34 hundredths. Okay, 4 is in the hundredths place. And 20 and 183 thousandths. Okay, the farthest to the right nga decimal is in the thousandths place. Di lang mas dako. Kung tulungan natin, 20 kag 20, parehos. So, ang aton na i-compare na lang is the decimal part. Some of you may be tempted to say nga, ay, ari siya ho. Amo na siyang mas dako. So, meaning, amo na siyang mas dako. Hindi. Hindi magpadala sa temptasyon. Ang aton nga ginaobra para i-compare gid sila, para mabalantagid kong insakto, we align them according to their decimal place values. So, let's try. Isulat sila on top of each other. 20 and 34 hundredths. Ari naman, 20 and 183 thousandths. I-align ta sila kag i-separate ta sila. The first thing you have to know is dapat naka-align ang decimal point. Always gina siya, naka-align permi ang decimal point. Kung naka-align na siya, let us start comparing from the left going to the right. So, are, i-separate sila. 2, 0, 3 kag 1, 4 kag 8, blanco kag 3. Let's compare. 2 and 2, they are the same. So wala sa mas dako. 0 and 0, still the same, decimal point. 3 and 1, di lang mas dako. 3 is greater than 1. So meaning, 20 and 34 hundredths is actually greater than 20 and 183 thousandths. If gaka-confuse ka mo, para masapos, di ba may blanco na de, you have to fill it in with a 0. So meaning, lantawon mo pa lang daan, 340 is greater than 183 in the decimal part. So meaning 20 and 34 hundredths is greater than 20 and 183 thousandths. Sige, let's try this one naman, be. 152 and 37 hundredths. Kag 151 and 37 hundredths, we will compare. I-align ta na ng ila decimal point. So, ari, sulat ko sila one on top of the other. 152 and 37 hundredths. 151 and 37 hundredths. Naka-align ng decimal point. Always start by aligning the decimal points. And then let's separate them according to their place value. So, tungaon tani sila like this. Sige, sugod kita permi sa pinaka-left. 152 and 37 hundredths, 151 and 37 hundredths. 1 kag 1 parehos, 5 kag 5 parehos, pero are, 2 kag 1 hindi parehos. So meaning, di na mas dako, that is the 2. So meaning, 152 and 37 hundredths is actually greater than 151 and 37 hundredths. Sige, let's try this one naman, be. 7 and 64 thousandths. Kay 4 is in the thousandths place. Kay 7 and 6 hundredths. Kay 6, the farthest decimal value is in the hundredths place. I-align to dana yung decimal point. So 7 and 64 thousandths. Kay 7 and 6 hundredths. Let us separate them. Una gin-align natin ang decimal point. Separate sila according to place value. 7 and 7, the same. 0 and 0, the same. 6 and 6, the same. 4 and blank. Again, ang ating overhaul, when you have a blank, you fill it in with a 0. Di na mas ako, 4 or 0. 4 is greater than 0. So meaning, this part, this one is greater than this one. 7 and 64 thousandths is greater than 7 and 6 hundredths. Nga wala may nag-equals kag wala may nag-greater than, nga ga-expect ka may pattern. Wala. Kung tsakto-tsakto ginaya. And that is how you compare decimals. Sige, talagang ito na asta. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Madaming salamat sa pagtanaw. Hanggang sa susunod, nag-iisip na yan.